make money. For example, ang application is a resort, it's a residential pala. So somehow nagkamali yung nag-apply, pero pinayagan din naman nila na in-apply. So ngayon, they are putting up mechanism na to check on this and find out paano ba namin matutulungan pa yung mga consumers. And then they also launch yung binanggit ko kahapon, I forgot the exact words, yung lifeline ano nga yun? Lifeline rates. There
Mga
you go.
marginalized.
Yes, lifeline rates sa marginalized sector of our society. So they're pounding on it, and sabi ko nga the better na i-expand nila. For example, this year alone they'll be spending about 24 billion pesos just for yung mga polls nila, no? And you're looking at how many thousands? 45,000 polls yung kapalitan. So 24 billion just for that, for this year, 'di ba? So ito yung